Hey guys, today I was going to replace the spark plugs on my 2006 GS300 that I bought 2 years ago. When I bought the car, it only had a little over 100k miles, and now it's a little over 113k miles. And these OEM Iridium plugs are good for maximum of about 120k miles, so it's about time. However, I ran into some dilemma, and I want to share with you why I paused this work today. First, the OEM spark plug that came out of the car uh, was a different one than the one I bought. According to the auto parts store, both are suitable spark plugs for this car. However, when I test both spark plugs side by side, I found actually very noticeable difference in how they spark. The old one that came out of the car, despite having 100 and more than 113k miles on it, it was actually sparking far better than the new plugs that I bought. I know some of you are going to suspect that maybe the new plugs are fake ones, but after seeing so many fake plugs in the market, both on eBay and Amazon, I decided to pay a little more and just buy from the reputable auto parts store, AutoZone to be exact in this case. If I didn't have the spark plug tester, I would have probably just used the new ones. But after seeing the difference in quality of how they spark, my motivation completely changed, and I decided to pay more and get the matching OEM plugs. So I'll see if I can return them and get credit towards buying the better plugs. The ones I bought are about $10 a plug, and the good one, the better one, is about 16 and a half per plug. So, 6 plugs, it's gonna cost you a little over $40 more extra. The second reason why I stopped the work was, although I suspected GS300 GDI engines, like in 2006 model that I have, are prone to carbon buildup. Since the car is running so smoothly, I was hoping that mine wasn't too bad. How wrong could I be on this? Just out of curiosity, I used the Borescope to peek inside the spark plug hole, and Lord have mercy, I can't even see a glimpse of the top of the pistons. Because the carbon deposit was completely covering the top of the pistons, I can't even determine how thick the coating is. Gee whiz. I did a casual seafoam spray carbon cleaning right after I bought the car, about, 10k, maybe 13k miles ago. But I didn't have a borescope back then to check the before and after results. At least pistons are getting some fuel for combustion, right? But now I wonder how bad the carbon buildup is on the valves, since GDI engines don't spray fuel to the valves. Guys, if you're into used GS model, get 2007 and above because I believe they have both port and direct injections, so the valves are sprayed with fuel to keep it clean from carbon deposits, unlike 2006 or earlier GS300s. So to recap, get the matching OEM spark plugs. Yes, it's more expensive, but you only do this every 100,000 miles or so. So it's definitely worth the extra 40 bucks. And you don't risk degrading the performance of this very nice car. Also, if you like to work on cars, consider getting this $30 spark plug tester and another $50 on a borescope. These two tools really help me to make proper decisions today that will save me more than 80 bucks I pay for the tools for years to come. I'll add the links to what I bought in descriptions section below. As for the carbon cleaning, I have some ideas, but I'm going to do some more research and I'll come back to you guys in future videos. If you had good or even bad experience with carbon cleaning of valves and piston heads, I would love to hear from you. Until then, thanks for watching and be sure to check back on my progress on this. Take care and I'll see you guys next time.